Well, the South Florida legal community is mourning the loss of a legendary defense attorney. Roy
Black was a nationally recognized criminal and civil defense attorney. He handled some of the most high-profile cases in the country, often getting his clients cleared of very serious charges.
Black died at the age of 80 at his home in Coral Gables. CBC's Ms. Elliot Rodriguez takes a look back at his very stellar legal career.
Very few lawyers know how to work a courtroom the way Roy Black did. Whether it was in front of a judge or a jury, Black was a masterful advocate for his clients, both in criminal and civil cases. Ed Shohat is a Miami defense lawyer who handled many cases with Roy Black.
Well, Roy had some unique qualities as a trial lawyer that are hard to duplicate.
Shohat said Black was a quick study, remembering the smallest details about complex cases. He said Black could address a jury like few attorneys can, coming off intelligent, even professorial, while at the same time staying down to earth and approachable, even likable.
He was at once down to earth, and at the same time, he came across as someone who was trying to teach the jury the case, not simply try the case, representing for the client, to get information to jurors.
In 1991, Black represented William Kennedy Smith, a Kennedy cousin found not guilty of rape charges. It was during that trial that Black met his future wife, Leah, who was a member of the jury. Other high-profile cases include the William Lozano police shooting that led to riots in Overtown, the tax evasion trial of race car driver Elio Castroneves, accused sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein's case, and a DUI case against singer Justin Bieber. While Black didn't win all his cases, he never lost his cool.
But he never raised his voice in a courtroom. He was very even-keeled, and I admired that about him as well.
Roy Black is survived by his wife Leah, his son RJ, and his daughter Nora. Funeral arrangements are still pending. And guys, I saw him operate in court, just a one-of-a-kind attorney.
Smooth operator.
That's right.
Incredible career.
Yeah, his wife Leah says that maybe his greatest virtue was that he was not judgmental, which is a good attribute for a defense lawyer.
It certainly was. He was like a guy you wanted to have a beer with.
Yeah. Thanks, Elliot.
Thank you, Elliot.